Hello friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be roasting pumpkin seeds in the air fryer. So here are the pumpkin seeds. So I took them out of raw pumpkin. The way to prepare them is to just rinse them in the colander, and when you rinse them, the pumpkin orange flesh comes off and you just separate it. So the rinsed pumpkin seeds, then I blend them with a paper towel to remove excess water. And now for the seasonings, I'll just use chili powder, or you can use salt and pepper, any seasonings you like, and I'll also use some olive oil. So let me just add a tiny bit of olive oil, and I'll sprinkle with chili powder. And toss until the pumpkin seeds are coated with oil and seasoning. And now let's put them in the air fryer. So try to spread it so they're in a single layer. And put the air fryer basket in the air fryer. And now I'm going to set the temperature to 370 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'm going to set the time to 7 minutes. Now halfway through the cooking time, let's take out the air fryer basket and let's shake them so they cook more evenly. So they're stuck together, just break them up with a spatula. If some of them fall through the holes, that's fine. You'll just get them from the bottom of the basket. When it's all done, let's put it back in the air fryer and let it finish cooking. So now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look at the roasted pumpkin seeds. Look at that, so crunchy. They look amazing, so nicely brown, perfectly roasted, seasoned pumpkin seeds. Now those are pretty small seeds, so if you have larger seeds, it might take a little longer to cook, so just try one. If it's not crispy to your liking, just air fry it for a few more minutes. But these are perfectly ready, so I'm going to take them out, put them in a bowl. So they tend to fall through the holes, so just check to see. Yep, there's a bunch of them there, so take them out as well. Perfect. So look how crunchy. Amazing. They look so good. Now let's try them. So these, you can just eat them with shell. The larger ones, you can try to peel them. So you bite it and take out the inside. But the small ones, you just eat them as is. Those shells are edible. You hear the crunch? So good. These are a perfect snack, and they're super addictive. So easy to make, so healthy. So if you're carving pumpkins and have some pumpkin seeds, don't throw them out, roast them. This is perfect. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!